English as a global language. What is the meaning of global English? The term global English is being used increasingly nowadays. It is a means of demonstrating that English is spoken in every part of the world, both among speakers with a particular country who share a first language and across speakers from different countries who have shared their first language. তাৰমানে যিসকলে নিজৰ ভাষাটো নেটিভ লেংগুৱেজ হিচাপে ইউজ কৰে সেইসকলেতো ইংলিছটো জানেই মাদাৰ টাং হিচাপে, আৰু যিসকলে ছেকেণ্ড লেংগুৱেজ হিচাপে ইউজ কৰে সেইসকলেও ইংলিছটো জানে। মানে ইংলিছখিনি মানে both among speakers and within a particular country or যিখিনি মানে ইংলিছ নাজানে সেইখিনিও মানে ইংলিছটো মানে মানে নেটিভ লেংগুৱেজ যাৰ নহয় মানে সেইখিনিও পাৰে। Okay, what is a global language? Global language refers to a language which is learned and spoken internationally. কি হয় গ্ল'বেল লেংগুৱেজটো সকলো ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেলি সকলোৱে কয় আৰু সকলোৱে শিকে। It is characterized not only by the number of its native and second languages. মানে ইয়াৰ মানে নেটিভ লেংগুৱেজ বা ছেকেণ্ড লেংগুৱেজতে বৈশিষ্ট্যতে সীমাবদ্ধতা নহয় কিয়নো বাট অলছ' বাই ইটছ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফিকেল ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যন এণ্ড ইটছ ইউজ ইন ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনছ এণ্ড ইন ডিপ্ল'মেটিক ৰিলেশ্যনছ এইবিলাকতো ইংলিছটো ইউজ হয়। A global language is a common language that enables people from various backgrounds and ethnic groups to communicate on a more or less equitable basis. Historically, the most important factor which lead to the establishment of a global language is that it is spoken by those who exercise power. Language can be said to have no independent existence of its own, and a particular language only dominates when its speakers dominate and fails when the people who speak it fail. However, history shows us that a language becomes a global language mainly due to the political power of its native speakers and the economic power with which it is able to maintain and expand its position. Actually, a global language is a language spoken internationally which is learned by many people as a second language. The most popular one being English. A large portion of the word borrowing uses as main source the French language, justifying English language affinity for foreign words as mixed vocabulary. Global English is a style of writing that makes written English more easily understood by non-native speakers, and global English does this by being precise, logical, and literal. It is the language of manual and technical writers who want their writing to be extremely clear to anyone who reads it. That's it.